Well, hello everyone. This is Mac, and we are going to do some one-step algebra equations. We did some in the previous ones where we add and subtract. Here we're going to do multiplication and division. You can always find these at maxtutorials.com. Let me write that down. Max tutorials.com. All right, and please like and subscribe, and that'll keep this moving. So here's what we're going to do. Whenever we have a problem that we're going to try to solve, we look at the variable or the letter, and we say what's happening to the letter, and whatever we're going to do the opposite. Earlier, we had problems like, x plus 4 equals 8. We say, hey, we're adding 4. Let's subtract 4, and the reason why we want to subtract 4 is to get the x by itself. And then also, if we had an x like minus 3 equals 6, we're going to add the 3. So we're going to just do the opposite, and that's what gets everything by itself. So let's look at this one. 4x, that means 4 times x. Well, what's the opposite of times? And the answer is divide. A fraction is the same as division. Now, when we do that, the 4's cancel out. What they really do is they become 1, and you get 1x. Okay? And then 28 divided by 4 is 7. It's really that simple. Now, if I look at number 2, this whole number is kind of in the way. But what you want to do here is that's y divided by 5. What's the opposite of divided by? The answer is times. Because if we look at this, what we're doing is we're canceling them out. And I'm left with y equals, well, if I did it on the left, I have to do it on the right. And I'm going to get 45. So whenever you see a number in front of a letter, you're just going to divide by that. Boom, m equals 8. Here, I'm just going to put a big multiplication sign right there. And I'm going to times that by 8 over 1, or just 8. They cancel out. A equals 48. Going down, 9p, we're going to divide by 9. And I get p equals 9. Here, I'm going to multiply by 4 on both sides. They cancel out, n equals 44. Going on to number 7, 6 times b, so I'm going to divide by 6. I'm going to get b equals 7. Notice right here, they're all positive numbers. That's because we want to make this first one very easy for you. We'll start adding negative numbers in the b section, so please take a look at that. Right now, we just want you to get used to how we multiply and divide. That's going to be a times 9 times 9. And I'm going to get t equals 45, going on to the second column over here. 3r, that's 3 times r, so we're going to go divide by 3. Whatever's in front of the letter, that's what we're going to divide by. We're going to times by 6 on both sides. And I'm going to get q equals 72. Sorry, doing a little bad, not really in my head, I just know my multiplication tables. You'll get there too, okay? 8, sorry about that ugly 8 right there. I'm going to multiply each side by 3 here. Boom, boom, and that's going to get d equals 45. Hopefully, after me explaining them slow to start, this is really helping you to be able to do them quicker. Oh, f divided by 10. What's the opposite of divide by 10? We're going to multiply by 10. They cancel out, and I get f equals 70. Here, 5 times z, we're going to divide by 5. Z equals 9. Here we're going to divide by, it says divide by 2, so then we're going to times by 2, and that's the opposite, which just allows us to cancel them out. G equals 28, then I'm going to divide each side here by 2. I'm going to get V equals 13, and the last one says divide by 12, so we're going to multiply by 12. Boom, boom, and J equals 96. Okay, so there's A. Again, go to maxtutorials.com for some more and watch me do a video that explains it maybe a little bit slower for you. And that's it. Go on the version B so you can work on some negatives as well.